This is what your morning newspaper is printed on. Not the wood, but the paper manufactured from it. This is what sweetens your tea and coffee. Not the sugar cane, but the sugar manufactured from it. These rocks are what our cars and aircraft are made of. Not the ores, but the iron and aluminium manufactured from them. In all the examples we saw so far, we talked about manufacturing something from another thing. Let us understand what we mean by manufacturing. The process of using raw material to produce more valuable goods in large quantities is called manufacturing. The diagram here shows how wood is used as raw material to manufacture more valuable paper in large quantities. At times, manufactured goods also act as raw material for another industry. For example, cotton yarn is manufactured using raw cotton. The cotton yarn is then used as raw material to manufacture cotton textiles. Industries like iron and steel plants, car factories, textile industries, bakeries, and food processing industries that manufacture finished products from primary material are called manufacturing industries in the secondary sector. All companies do not produce goods. Some companies provide services like mobile phone connections, courier services, and travel and tourism services. However, in this module, we will concentrate on manufacturing industries in the secondary sector, as described earlier. Manufacturing industries play a crucial role in the overall and especially the economic development of a country. In fact, a country's economic strength is measured by the growth of its manufacturing industries. Let us take a look at the factors that make manufacturing industries so important to us. India is traditionally an agricultural country. The growth in manufacturing industries has modernized farming in India by the introduction of useful tools and machines. The growth in manufacturing industries has generated a large number of employment opportunities. This has reduced the dependence of people on agriculture. It has also helped reduce unemployment and poverty, especially in backward rural and tribal areas. An increase in manufacturing capacity allows us to export our goods to other countries and build up our reserves of foreign exchange. India is one of the countries that have the manufacturing capabilities to convert their raw material into finished goods of higher value. This leads to overall growth and prosperity. Our land resources are limited, and we need to expand both our agriculture as well as manufacturing industries. This often creates problems where agriculture and industry are considered against each other. However, this is not true. Agriculture and industry mutually benefit each other. India has a large number of agro-based industries that depend on agricultural produce for raw material. All the jams, fruit juices, and tomato ketchups that make your food so delicious are manufactured products of such agro-based industries. Thus, agriculture plays an important role in expanding our manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry, on the other hand, provides farmers with fertilizers, pesticides, and different types of farming machines and equipment. This makes agricultural processes more efficient and thereby increases the agricultural produce. Today, just developing and diversifying our industries is not enough. The key is efficiency. Our manufacturing industries are facing competition from all over the world. To stay competitive in the global market, we must ensure that the quality of our goods is at par with the best.